Hi, welcome to another Jet Air Share and Ship. I'm Rob Miotti, and this is Jay Prado. We love talking about Jet Air's full featured items like the one behind me. Now, what are some of those full features, Jay?
Right, we cover a lot of these in our videos, but three of the big ones are going to be our sound attenuation, our custom control scheme, and our ability to capture overspray.
That's a lot of features. Now, all of our systems have one feature in particular. What is it?
Right, that's the ability to dry.
Right on.
So that's what we're going to be talking about today, is the core components for a drying machine.
Now, is that what we have in front of us?
That is what we have in front of us. Now, this is actually called our starter system.
Okay, what is a starter system?
Right, so a starter system is a packaged kit, and it's going to come with everything you need to make a great drying machine. So that's going to be your blower, your VFD, your air components, and as well your mounting, hosing, and plumbing filtration.
That's a lot of stuff. Now, I noticed that the VFD is has a plate behind it that the blower sits on?
That's correct. So just because it's a starter system doesn't mean we didn't put our classic engineering into it. So what we did here is we put a little plate on the backside for the blower to sit. So now your VFD and blower are combined, nice tight little footprint.
I noticed also that it's really cool the way that the mounting system works for the air components and everything. It's all nicely put together.
Right, there's only about 4 to 5 connection points. So you're really just bolting up to the conveyor, setting your VFD and motor, and running your plumbing out.
Kind of like a Lego set.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, this system does what that system does?
Right, so that's the great part about all of this is you know, not all of the jobs require some of the full featured pieces. So if you want to just pare down and get to the core components, you're going to get the exact same drying performance out of this machine as you are that one.
So that's tens of thousands of dollars, Jay.
Yes, this is not.
Oh, really?
No, this is going to be under 10K actually.
So what am I giving up?
Right, so the three things you're giving up are going to be your sound attenuation, the controls, and the overspray shield.
So this is much louder.
Yes.
I'm going to have to turn it on and off myself.
Yes.
And it might be wet.
Yep.
Okay.
On the floor, not on the container.
Okay.
All right.
Good point. Now, tell me a little bit about if I want something more or I need something different.
Right, so while this is a pre-packaged set here, we can always, of course, design a system for you that's just the core components. So if you needed it for a little bit faster, a little larger container, bigger blower, longer components, can always piece that together for you.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Jay, and thank you for watching another version of Jet Air Share and Ship.